So a quick video, I'm going to show you how to install this 24-inch towel bar. Okay, it's real easy to do. We're going to hang it up right over here. All right, basically when you take this out of the box, you'll see instructions. Let me get them right here. Now this is a really important step. Okay, see that piece of paper right there? That's your template. There's your nails and screws. Okay, so you want to hang this bar up around 4 feet. It's up to you though. Just don't make it too low or too high. So 4 feet, you just don't want to run into it. All right, the first thing you'll need is a measuring stick like this. Now I don't know if I trust this thing. I got it at a dollar store. Everything looks off with this thing. But anyway, all right, get this instruction sheet. Your template is here. All right, lay your template out like this. Get a piece of tape if you're working by yourself. Get a nice piece of tape, not too strong, because you don't want to rip paint off. And you're gonna drill holes. Booyah, right here. See our measuring stick? We're gonna hang it up. Doesn't look right, but oh well. Let's keep going. All right, you'll need your tape too. If you want to find your studs, okay, they're 16 inches apart, so about 32 inches. Yeah, we're there. All right, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna use your screw to drill holes. Pre-drill. You're gonna go in and out. Okay, boom, like that. And then you're gonna use this plastic thingy. I don't know what. And you're gonna drill it in there. You don't necessarily need to use these, but you want to for support. Sheetrock, okay, unless you hit the stud. Most people don't. And you screw it in like this. Yeah. And again. Come on. Gotta speed this up. Boom. Just like that. Then you just hang him up like this. Easy. Hang him up. Then you get this second one here. There we go. There. You're done. Oh, also remember, you'll need this little pin. Right, you're gonna try to screw this on so it's nice and tight and doesn't fall off and hit you or something. Okay. Just screw it in there and you're basically done here. There you go. It's beautiful, ain't it? All right, people, don't forget you can buy this. This is called a shower hook. No, I'm sorry. This is Captain. No, this is actually a towel or a, clothes, whatever you're taking off. You want to hang up right next to your shower. So this is my next video. I'm working on this right now.